Welcome to this C# tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle using simple mathematical operations in C#. You'll learn how to take user input for the rectangle's length and width, perform the perimeter calculation, and display the result. This is a great way to practice basic programming concepts and improve your C# skills. Let's dive right in and start coding. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of a two-dimensional shape. It is a measure of the distance around the outside of a shape. For a rectangle, the perimeter is calculated by adding the lengths of all its sides. In the case of a rectangle, the formula for calculating the perimeter is 2 times the sum of the length and width of the rectangle. Objectives of the lesson are the following. Understand the concept of perimeter in geometry and its significance in real-world scenarios. Apply the knowledge of perimeter calculation to solve problems and perform geometric operations in practical applications. Develop a functional C# program to compute the perimeter of a rectangle, demonstrating proficiency in coding and algorithmic thinking. Explore and implement advanced features or modifications to the program, showcasing the ability to enhance the program's functionality and performance. This C# program calculates the perimeter of a rectangle based on user input for the length and width of the rectangle. It prompts the user to provide the length and width of the rectangle, converts the input to double data type, and then computes the perimeter using the formula 2, length plus width. The program then displays the computed perimeter, allowing the user to view the result. Finally, it prompts the user to press any key to exit the program. Watch the video on how to compute the perimeter of rectangle in C#. This lesson introduced the creation of a C# program to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. Key concepts included user input collection, data type conversion, and performing calculations based on the provided inputs. The program demonstrated the utilization of the formula 2, length plus width, to compute the perimeter. By exploring this program, learners can gain a better understanding of handling user input and performing basic calculations in C#. Experimenting with variations of the code can deepen their comprehension of these fundamental concepts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed learning about calculating the rectangle's perimeter in C#. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more coding lessons. Your support really helps, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy coding!